back to this, huh?
All right, let's do this. Come on.
Wait. It got dark. You act like you forgot how to make videos now.
How long has it been? Did you not say, oh, I don't want to make your videos anymore?
Shut up. Anyways,
Okay.
What we doing? Where we at?
We're at Hooters. I thought they were going out of business, but I guess not. But we're gonna go ahead and get a drinky drink, and they're famous for their wings, and we're gonna see some boobies.
Wow.
That's what they're famous for. And it's hot. There goes Nigel. Come on.
Nah, I bet.
Good. How are you?
Good in here. Hi,
What up, man? Good.
Hey, what's up? The Sushi YouTube.
You say what?
Hey, what's up? The Sushi YouTube. The other man wanted a video.
Oh, you still doing this?
Just started back. He's out of retirement today.
Oh man, I don't even know what to say. I haven't even been on YouTube myself. Like, I'm not even consistent, so it's like I'm rusty, y'all.
Lauderdale, you made it. Congratulations. The gentleman driving the black Harley. I need you to move it. You're driving a black Harley, David.
I gotta go say hi.
You haven't set an update on your car either. Last time they seen your car,
It was all pink.
It was all pink. Now what's done to it?
Wait, no. They didn't even see it, did they? Yeah, they did see it pink. I just wrapped it black. Half black.
Go ahead.
Oh, this. Oh, it's good. I love it.
I'm thinking about having people sign this side.
Oh, I thought you were leaving it plain and then the other
I'm
side.
thinking about it, but I don't know. I'm playing with the idea. What's done to it? Same thing. I just scrapped it.
Nah, remember you haven't made a video on what's done to it.
Oh, the tune? I got a tune. I sent the ECU out.
There's a fight.
And
This ain't pink?
Huh?
You leaving these pink?
yeah. Well, they were black last time.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna say for the handle. I don't know, but it's not up to me. I thought the whole thing was black.
No. Last time had the black handle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Look, tell what you think.
Yes, this flows way better.
Yeah, well, because
In my honest opinion, I don't know, but
no. I don't care what Nigel is saying right now.
like I said, it's your car.
Right.
But the black flows very well on the
With the
pink,
pink.
but the pink on the black,
It's like just a little accent. Come.
yeah.
It's just a little accent. Come to this side. What do y'all think? It's just like a little splash. Okay, it's not for everybody. No, it's fine.
That's the only. I love everything else. It's just
You don't like that? Okay.
I wouldn't say I don't like it. It just
It's different. It's not what you expected.
I thought it wasn't finished yet. Like for the handle, that's what I know.
What do you? No, it was black, so I switched it. But
Gotcha.
what do you think about me having them sign this side eventually? Like right now,
Sign this,
I like.
so what? Like, I guess white right in, right?
I could do pink.
Ah, okay.
I could do pink.
This is everything's pink and black. I would have to see it. I can't envision that.
That's how I'm like, should I do it? Because if I do, I'm gonna mess it up. But I can
This
always.
reminds me of what that guy did. What's his name? Turks?
Yeah.
What he did? It reminds me of what he did, where he did like half and then.
And half.
I don't know if he had other people sign the other side.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. But yeah.
Slow girl, I'm dangerous like tide, bro. No talking like that, I'm a maestro. More like that, look from guy, go. I hit it, you go side, go. Now time I'm walking, this is mine, go. My game is the tide, go. Jesus, it is my time, oh.
Why are you so close to my face, bro? Nothing. Alright, what are we looking at? I can't hear you though. What are we
I
looking
didn't say anything. What is that?
I don't know. A big something, just a block, right? It's like a block. I don't know what it is though. You need to tell me what it is.
I don't know what that is.
Wow. I like that sticking out. That's cool.
Unique?
Unique.
What do you call that? Isn't that like a hot rod?
Probably. They have shows on Netflix.
Netflix.
That's
What?
just good.
Okay.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Huh? I don't like red though. That's your favorite color.
Wow. These are around when you was around, right?
Keep that same energy. Keep that same energy. That's for sale. You want to get that one?
This? Yeah, why not?
You're not driving me around in that though.
T7? You don't like Corvette?
They're okay.
Corvette.
They're okay.
Okay.
Here. Wanna say hi to Bob?
Bob? Your kind of guy.
He doesn't talk.
Wow.
There's a doggy. You doing back?
Nah,
That's not a bag?
that's daddy.
I wish they had some light over here. Because that's a pink car. Underglow? It says something driven on the top.
Probably lady driven.
Lady driven.
What's old school? Like how old?
Oh no, 1927, 1800,
1800?
maybe. I don't know the time frame.
What is that, a Beetle?
This one is probably 1500. Come. They probably didn't even have a car then.
Wow.
Can you imagine coming to pick me up in that, like back in the day?
You wouldn't hop in
And
this?
I would think that, oh, she's got a car.
I'll be staying with this back in the day.
You wouldn't stow in it now?
You hop in this now?
It depends on how.
On what? Oh, what?
Oh shit!
Bro, this